Hello everybody and welcome back to the brand new show of Harvin Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will tell you the different types of courses we offer for you. Today in frame we have Vinay with us, who is going to tell us about machine learning with our course. So hi Vinay, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm also great, thank you. So Vinay, tell us what exactly machine learning with our course is.
So machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allow to software application to predict a more accurate data.
That's great. So you do this course with R course. So
Yes,
there's a different R is
yes.
just language.
Yes, there are two languages in this course. There is Python and another is R. So Python is a more demanding language in the market.
Okay, that's great. So tell us about the eligibility criteria. Which domain person can do this course?
So every student who are the post-graduation and the graduation student also do this course.
Okay, so the preferred qualification is graduation.
Graduation.
Okay, that's great. So what is the duration of this course?
The 32 hours is duration of the courses. So also student can be learned through the online and the offline.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So what are the job opportunities or what are the job profiles that a person can do?
After completing the course, student can become a data analyst, data engineer, machine learning engineers also.
Okay, that's great. So many opportunities. So why a student should come to Henry Harvin, or what is that one USP of Henry Harvin?
The one major USP in Henry Harvin is the 9-in-1 benefit, where they can also get the live training classes. They also get the internship after the completion of the course. They will get the project. They can gain a project, the experience certificate from the Henry Harvin.
That's great.
The major benefit for the 9-in-1 the gold membership, in which the student can repeat their classes multiple times in a 1 year.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are the USP you can say.
Right.
Okay. So tell us about the accreditations and affiliation that Henry Harvin has.
Okay, so Henry Harvin affiliation accreditation is we are affiliation with the MSME, UK CERT, and American Association of EFL. Also, ISO, we are certified ISO. Yes.
Okay, so a globally certified,
globally certified
certificate we provide for all the students that enroll with us.
Right.
That's great. Thank you so much for guys for watching. Thank you Vinay for coming and joining us. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Henry Harvin. Thank you.